Alright, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm going to explain or share something experience I do love for. I'm very happy to having, this goal called that EUR. EUR is, employee of Allah. This very awesome notice. I'm very happy or I'm glad not to having this and bring this, I buy from someone in Mandaja. I am one of these children in Mandaja, announcement for every single one, but I have to buy this gold. Tomorrow, August 17, in 1945 and 2020, we're gonna be celebrating the big day for the Freedom Day in Indonesia, 17 August. I myself very tall and happy. For a lot of people who want to buy this gold. This gold very awesome, very tall and awesome. Not because I have involved a lot of people who are doing this. And now I'm going to buy a lot of this gold if I have money. Not only I have by myself, but also I'm going to share for every my friend, my neighborhood, and then my relatives, my villagers to buy this gold. How to saving your assets, how to saving your money. Very 100% clear. It's like this. Alright, that is my my experience. So I suggest you one more time. How do you saving your money? So buying the gold. Alright, that's my time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.